Thirikari kugera Ministry ya Githomo ikoretwo mihango-ini ya gutigirira mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC ni wakinyanira kuma kuri waki wa irathi njeru guthomithia arutani nginyagia kuhariria arutwo.
Most of you defied the raging COVID-19 effects to assist in preparing learners to cover the syllabus.
When CBC takes root, the attraction of examination malpractice will die.
Na kuona ati arutwo a kirathi kia grade 6 no hindi megukorwo magiikara igeranio ciao makihariria kuingira thukuru-ini cia junior high school. Thirikari kugera kamiti ya kwandika arutani ni mehariirie kwambiriria kuheana mathomo kuri arutani 60,000 tabarira iria ikambiria muthi wa Jumatatu ya kiumia giukite ta uria Murugamiriri munene wa TSC Nancy Macharia atariirie.
The target is to train all the 116,024 secondary school teachers by the end of this year.
The registration that will be starting on Wednesday, the 26th, is free, so that even as parents prepare to get their learners registered, nobody should charge any learner, whether from a private school or from a public school.
Macharia uria ukwaragia hindi ya kurekererio kwa maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCSE augite ni mubango-ini wa kungacithia mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC na gutigirira arutani mena ugi muiganu kuria matanyite gukorwo mathomithitie arutani 116 gwikinyiria mweri-ini wa Dithemba.
To date, 229,292 primary school teachers and teacher training college tutors have been trained on CBC. Once again, I want to assure that our teachers are adequately prepared for grade 6 CBC rollout starting this month ahead of their transition to junior secondary school.
The teachers are extremely adequate and they are going to continue to prepare. We have constructed already 6,470 classrooms.
Macharia niaugire kuuga ati TSC ni kwandika wira arutani 5,000 thutha wa ministry ya kigina kurekereria ciringi bilioni 2.5 kuona ati kwa ihinda riri bururi uri na unyihu wa arutani 114.
In the financial year 2022-2023, the government has once again allocated the TSC 1.2 billion to recruit 6,000 interns as a stopgap measure to ease the teacher shortage.
Wiyandikithia wa arutwo aria magaikarira kigeranio kia grade 6 kirathi gia kana na kirathi gia form 4 itanyitwo kwambiria kiumia giukite riu aciari makiorio kuoya mweke kwandikithia arutwo kuona ati thirikari ni irugamirire mihango eno.
The government of His Excellency Murugamiriri has been paying for the examination fees for children both in public and private schools since 2016 and has paid a total of 27.7 billion.
Hau kabere yakiamukira maumirira ma KCSE thingira-ini wa iregi mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niaugire maumirira maya ni mambatirite gikiro makiringithania na miaka iyo ingi na muno makiria mathukuru-ini ma gikiro gia sub county. Ihinda-ini riu mutongoria wa bururi niahinyiriirie bata wa kwandandura kigina kiria kiheagwo mathukuru maria arutwo mathomaga makiinukaga niguo kuhuthiria aciari ngarama. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Wainaina wa Kierie.